All right, area of a kite. Essentially, the formula, as you can see over here, is, and let me move this up, is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So I'm going to write it. Area equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And then let's see if we can plug in those numbers. Where do we get those numbers? Well, follow my laser pointer over here. If this is 2 and this is 2, then we have a diagonal length of 4. So that's one of our numbers. And then follow my laser pointer again. If this is 6 and this is 12, we have a full diagonal length, second diagonal length of 18. And we can do the mental math on this. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 18 is 36. So the area is 36 and the units are feet. So 36 feet squared is our answer. Where do we see that? A. I'm sorry, C.